Good morning to this beautiful valley and just to my early morning quiet time here on this beautiful part of this province where I live. And I thought I would invite you to just settle wherever you are, to put your feet on the ground and just to gently tune into your body. There are farm sounds around. Some horses, some cows and chickens and birds. And I welcome you to this new day, full of potential, full of beauty. And I want you just to open your heart by taking a deep breath into your heart. And just thanking your body for showing up and for being here to carry you. And just using these few moments of stillness to quiet down. You just find a deep sense of peace and gentle kindness. And to just exhale that which might feel heavy to you right now. Exhale that into the earth as if you're sitting here on the ground with me. And just taking a deep breath from the center of this beautiful earth where you feel supported and held. And just knowing that doing this for a few minutes every day, whenever you might feel overwhelmed or anxious, will help to calm you down. And using this as a visualization, sitting on the ground, surrounded by trees, big skies, these beautiful animals, their strength, how majestic they are. And now just noticing how your body feels after taking a few moments. Noticing some ease. I hope this felt supportive, and I hope you can come back to this whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me here in the field this early Sunday morning where I am. Feeling so blessed and feeling deeply grateful that I can be sitting here with my morning coffee.